If you passed, you are amazing. Well done to you. Congratulations. If you didn't pass, don't worry. It was just one attempt and one exam. Just think about how many exams we did in our life already, and I'm pretty sure there will be more exams coming up. I mean, maybe not that much, because obviously when you're at work you don't have as many exams as we had in uni and in school, but still we have so many struggles in our life. This is just the little bit one, and it's not that important. You still have your family, you still have your friends, you still have your life. Exam is just a little piece of your life. So it's 1 o'clock now, so I know that the results will be coming soon. I'm kind of sitting and just trying to watch some YouTube videos just to take my mind off the results. I don't know if I should cry or do what. My results are coming today. They should be available in like a couple of hours. I don't know the exact time, but it will be around 2 p.m. UK time, because it's around 8 a.m. in the States. And God, it's very annoying that you have to wait this time in the morning, especially. I would rather wake up and see the results straight away. So today I'm just drinking, that's my third coffee already. I took shower, I didn't even dry my hair or anything, so I look a little bit like homeless, but I'm just waiting for the results. I can't believe that the time has gone so quick. I did the exam on 16th of May or 18th of May, I don't really remember, one of those. And I felt like, oh, I have 2 months until the results are published. It will be so long, but it literally went like this. And today is the results day, and I feel worried. I can't say that I am overly stressed, but I have some level of stress in my body right now. And it's very different to the first time when I was waiting for my results, because that time I had a bad feeling from the beginning. I knew that 99% chances I won't pass, because the exam was incredibly tough, and when I left the exam I knew that it went bad. So I got obviously disappointed when I got the result, but it was expected. And this time when I left the exam room, I actually felt kind of happy with the exam itself. So I feel like there is more hope that I can pass this time, but this is actually scaring me more, that I might hope that I will get the good result, and then if it will be a failed one, I will get more sad. And then also I feel like this exam makes me think that I'm incredibly stupid, because all my life I did so well in studies. I finished my school with the gold medal, which means like it was 90% plus. I got A star, A in my A levels. I finished UCL with 2-1. I finished my masters with 2-1, and it was always so easy. I never properly studied, but I was always getting good results. And this time I actually studied a lot. I started preparing for the level 1 exam in February 2021. And I feel like I studied for a year for the first attempt and for the second attempt. And if I get bad result now, I will officially accept that I'm stupid, or this exam is just not for me. I don't know what's happening. Or I'm getting old and my brain doesn't work anymore. But yeah, we will see the results in a couple of hours. I didn't pass again. I didn't pass. I hate this exam. I'm not a stupid person. I did so well in the university, in my masters. But this exam, I don't know what to say. So this is the video 5 days after I got the result, I think. Today is Tuesday and I got the results on Thursday, so yeah, 5 days. I am much better now. I'm not sad anymore. I did got overthrown a little bit, obviously, when I got the results. I think for like 2-3 hours I was literally just looking at the ceiling, but I spoke to a lot of other people who were doing the exam on the same day as me, and I know that a lot of them got same result as me. So I feel like, so by talking to everyone, I kind of started feeling better. I understood that I'm not the only one, and this is actually how I got the really crazy idea. I'm not sure if you will like it, and it actually depends whether you like it or not, to create some kind of community for the candidates who are preparing for their CFA exam, because I know Obviously there are like some different courses where you can find people and everything, but if you are studying by yourself, you don't really have anyone to talk to. And this is what happened to me, especially during my first time of preparation, when I literally was by myself. I couldn't discuss the topics with anyone. I couldn't share my frustration, my happiness, my little wins with anyone. And I think when you have the community of the same minded people, it's a lot easier. And while chatting with all of you on like Instagram, I got the idea that a lot of you have the same problem. So my idea is to see if this would be of interest for you. If it is, please message me on Instagram. I'll leave my link down below, just so that I know if there is actually the point of creating this. And I feel like even if we get 10 candidates who are preparing for the exams, it's already good. I mean, obviously it will be free and everything. And I was also thinking maybe we can get some deals on courses or whatever, because I know that one company that is the CFA prep provider already emailed me saying they can, because obviously I'm posting these videos on YouTube and they're getting good traction in here, so they're offering me discounts and everything. I don't know, maybe we can work out the community where we can be sharing some good topics, ideas, news, and just in general talk about the exam. And also if I can get anything for us, that would be great as well. I'm not sure if it will work out. This is just the idea that came to my mind, and I realized that I really want to try and make it live, to make it true. And this actually gives me the drive, because I was kind of lost after I failed for the second time, and I was like, I don't know if I should do CFA or not, you know, all the typical thoughts that come to your mind. But then when I realized, when I started thinking about this idea, it actually gave me the energy to keep doing. And I was thinking that it would also stimulate me, because most probably I will be trying to do some content for the community. I would start, I don't know, maybe I would research some topics more. Maybe if I would find some good video, I will share it with you. And we can all just circulate the knowledge around, maybe what worked for someone, what didn't work for someone. I know there are some people who are preparing already for level 2 and level 3. I haven't properly structured how it will work out yet, because first I wanted to know if there is actually interest in this. So please, if you're interested in being in some kind of community with other candidates who are preparing for their CFA exams, send me a message on Instagram, so that I can actually start thinking of how to make it a proper idea. I'm not sure, maybe it will be like a Facebook group or Telegram chat or something like this, where we could just all communicate, and maybe just also throw some useful resources in there. In terms of my plans for the CFA next, most probably I think I will skip the November attempt, because I just want to give myself like a little bit time off CFA, because I literally spent the last year and a half doing it. And I think I'll go for the February attempt. I know some of the curriculum will change, but the majority will still the same. So I'm thinking to do this. I might change this in the next couple of weeks yet, because I'm not registering. I'm just taking the time off to understand what I want in life, to understand what is my future goal. I will link somewhere here the video that I did last time about CFA mistakes, because I think it can still be relevant to a lot of you, what mistakes I did. I think this time, I don't know, I mean, I was trying to think why I failed the second time, and I feel like I prepared really well this time. And I was actually quite confident after the exam, because I felt like I did really well. And I know the pass rate this time was higher than the November attempt. It was 38% this time. And I don't know, I felt really happy after the exam. But something went wrong, and I know which topics I failed again, and it's kind of the same topic like last year. I mean, almost all of them. The biggest one that I always mess up is the financial analysis. I just hate all this accounting things, so I need to make sure I'll spend more time on that. And I realized you just need more practice, as many mock exams as you can do. I know there are great resources out there that can even provide you with like free trials where you can do mock exams and do practice questions. So I think this will be my plan for the next attempt. To be honest, right now I don't feel depressed at all. I feel kind of good, and I feel like it's all a learning curve. This is just the exam. This is such a small piece of your life that in 40 years might not matter that much. So even if you failed, don't feel discouraged. there are a lot of attempts you can take. There are a lot of things you can do before the exam and after the exam. Exam is just like a tiny piece of your life. So I know that together we can smash this exam, get what we want, achieve the results that we're looking for, and rock this world. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll leave the link for my Instagram down below. Please message me in there saying that you would want to be in this CFA community, and I'd get it going. It actually gives me so much energy that I'm so excited about this. I think when I came with this idea on Thursday, I was literally like jumping. I had to go to the shop and I was texting everyone. I was like, yeah, I came up with an idea, because I was always thinking how I can help myself and help everyone together. And I know I'm chatting with you on Instagram, but I feel like if we would have the community where we could all talk to each other, it would be a lot better. Yeah, let's see. I mean, I really hope it will work, and I really hope that you will be interested in this. So I'm waiting for your messages on Instagram, and if it will work, it will be amazing. Thank you.